Amazon Music not working, how to fix. If the Amazon Music app is not working, maybe the songs are not loading or anything like that, many reasons could be there. First, you want to make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection. So just make sure you're connected to a proper and a strong Wi-Fi connection. After that, you want to simply open up your app store. Then just search for the Amazon Music app right there. So once you search for Amazon Music, check if the Amazon Music app has an update. You will find the update button there if it requires an update. So if it needs an update, you'll find the update button there to update it to the latest version. Now otherwise, what you can simply do is you can open settings on your iPhone. From there you can go to general. Then you can simply go to iPhone storage. From here you can simply search for Amazon Music app, tap on offload app and tap on offload. After that, just tap on reinstall and reinstall the application, and this will fix most likely any of the issues you have with the app. If none of these work, delete and reinstall the app again and also restart your device to see if that actually helps you. Either way, this is the way on how you should be able to fix if the Amazon Music app is not working. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.